know that reading scales involves long jumps and bunny hops. Often in maths, we get questions where we're asked what number the arrow is pointing to. And the question is, how can we work the number out when we don't know what all the numbers are? A methodical, step-by-step approach is always best. So let's work through this step by step. First of all, we find the difference between the number at the beginning of the scale and the number at the end of the scale. 100 take away 0 leaves us with 100. Next, we count how many bunny hops need to be taken between the first and last number on the scale. This tells us how many parts the scale has been divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunny hops. The rabbit had to take 5 bunny hops to get from one end of the scale to the other. Step 3 involves dividing the long jump number by the bunny hops. This tells us the value of each part. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. Therefore, each part of the scale is worth 20. Step 4, complete the sum. Now we know that the scale is going up in bunny hops of 20, we can fill in our missing information. We can clearly see that the arrow is pointing to the number 60. Here's something worth remembering. Did you know that scales don't always start at 0? This isn't a problem though. We can just use the long jump and bunny hop technique in exactly the same way. Now we need to count how many bunny hops the rabbit needs to take to get from the start to the end of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunny hops. The rabbit jumped 5 times, so this tells us how many equal parts there are. So all we need to do now is divide the long jump by the bunny hops. 125 divided by 5 equals 25. Now we know that the bunny hops are going up in jumps of 25, we can fill in the missing information. Hooray! Task completed. Don't forget, when reading scales, you just need to remember the long jump, the bunny hops, divide and complete. Well done.